Namaskar. Welcome to Abhyas School of Yoga. I'm Nivedita and wish you a happy new year 2026. And today we have a very special guest today with us, Lekha Prajapati ji. Welcome and happy new year, Lekha ji.
Happy New Year to you and all the viewers who are watching. Wishing you all a very, very happy New Year. Have a fantastic 2026 and be happy, be successful, and most importantly, be happy and healthy.
Actually, it is good to start today. It's a very good day to start, and it's a part of our lifestyle, and we can understand that through 2026 we can do something more productive and bring something new. So I would like to ask you one simple question: that it's a new year, it's the 1st Jan. So what is your resolution towards your new year? All the way, there is no resolutions. I believe that all the way, whenever you start anytime you can. So, but yes, let's say what you are going to bring this time in this year.
No, I feel first day of the year is amazing, and it is a great year to kickstart your entire new resolution and coming up with new energy. But ऐसा कहते हैं इंडस्ट्री में I'm an actor by profession, and ऐसा कहते हैं कि आपने अगर पहले साल के पहले दिन शूटिंग कर ली तो आप साल भर शूट करते हैं. Like you shoot for 365 days. So I'm so happy that even though I have come here to relax and to get my energy back, but still we are shooting. So it is a very auspicious thing, and I'm really happy कि firstly हम 1st of January 2026 पे shoot कर रहे हैं. Secondly, when it comes about talking about resolutions, of course पहला दिन वो कहते हैं ना कि हमेशा ऐसा बोलते हैं ना सैटरडे या फ्राइडे को कि मैं मंडे से जिम चालू करूँगा या मंडे से जिम चालू करूँगी. तो आई थिंक मेंटली ऑल्सो यूनिवर्सल एनर्जीज कह लीजिए ऑल्सो, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हम इंसान के रूप में ना हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं देख पाते. देयर आर सर्टेन things which we cannot actually see. So it is a very good year, and it is a very good start, and I'm really happy that I'm here on the 1st of January. And resolution, I'm thinking kya resolution? I think to have a more disciplined life, firstly, that is very important.
Very, very important. Very important.
To be always healthy, क्योंकि वो कहते हैं ना आपका हेल्थ गया तो आपका सब कुछ गया. आपके पास शायद पैसा हो, आपके पास शायद हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप्स हो, लेकिन आपके पास हेल्थ ही नहीं है टू एंजॉय. Yeah, so the first resolution would be to have a disciplined life, because it is very, very important to have a disciplined life and to have a healthy and happy life. वो तो हमेशा से मोटिव रहा है. उसके अलावा to use social media for my own use rather getting consumed by it, because आपको पता है आजकल हम लोग we are on our reels and we are just watching. एंड देखो यार, सोशल मीडिया एंड इंटरनेट के अपने खुद के प्रोज एंड कॉन्स हैं, बट आई फील दैट वी नीड टू यूज इंटरनेट इन अ वेरी स्मार्ट वे सो दैट वी कैन यूज इट एंड नॉट बी यूज्ड बाय इट. सो दैट वुड बी माय सेकंड रेजोल्यूशन. एंड थर्ड रेजोल्यूशन would be, I know I'm fit, but to be a little more fitter.
Of course, everyone wants their best.
To be like to be able to be the best version of myself and to be able to explore the hidden potential that I think I have, but I've not been able to explore that. So I think to be that 100% Lekha this year.
And what you can do add on to that, like how, like you will, as you mentioned that you will begin with the part of discipline, and I believe that discipline is so important in everyone's life, whether you start on 1st Jan or whether you start on November or any month. It is crucial to achieve somewhere, to reach somewhere, because you have to leave something behind so that you can step ahead the many ladders. What will be your leading part?
Firstly, waking up on time, जो कि एक खुद ही डिफिकल्ट बहुत टास्क है, बट बेसिकली वेकिंग अप ऑन द सेम टाइम. वेकिंग अप ऑन टाइम से ज़्यादा, बिकॉज डिसिप्लिन का एक वो बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है कि एक ही चीज़ को बार बार आप जब करते रहते हो, आपकी बॉडी और आपकी माइंड उस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करती है, एंड ऑल्सो दे आर रिलैक्सड. योर माइंड इज़ रिलैक्सड कि उसको पता है कि वो इस सर्टेन टाइम पे सो जाएगा और इस सर्टेन टाइम पे उठेगा. So I think repeatedly, doing the same thing again and again in a disciplined manner, hitting the gym, वो बहुत important है मेरे लिए, which I do, which I go to the gym early in the morning, but hitting the gym regularly. And also I think वो कहते हैं ना आपको मस्ती के लिए भी टाइम निकालना चाहिए कि कुछ लोग
part of your own self that you take out for yourself.
Yeah, for enjoyment you need to take out that specific time, but you need to plan it. So be a better planner this year. I would like to be a better planner. I think I'm good at it, but I think I can be a little more better. तो मैं ना चीज़ें और अच्छे से प्लान कर पाऊँ आगे जाके.
I think in this journaling helps a lot, or self-reflection helps a lot. That you begin your day, before you begin your day, in the night itself, you reflect that what are the things which you have done today was useful and productive, and what are the other things which you have done it for no reasons, which turn out to be a waste of your time, or which turn out to be like scrolling on your phone or was extra, or going out and having desserts and everything, or anything, shopping out. So we can eliminate, like that thing will start eliminating once you start journaling them or note them down.
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपसे कि सोचो मैंने रात को सब कुछ प्लान किया है कि मुझे उठ के ये करना है, फिर 11 बजे मीटिंग है, 2 बजे यहाँ जाना है, 4 बजे यहाँ जाना है, और उसमें से एक चीज़ मैं नहीं कर पाई, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ड्यू टू वेरियस रीजंस. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है, और ये मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम है, आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु वाचिंग इट माइट आल्सो हैव अ सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम, कि ना फिर मैं सल्क करने लग जाती हूँ कि अरे वो काम नहीं हुआ, अरे वो तो नहीं किया, अरे वो 2 बजे वाला काम रह गया, और उसके बाद 4 बजे वाला, 5 बजे वाला, 6, 7 वो भी सफ़र होता है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वन फैक्टर आपकी बाकी की चीज़ें सफ़र ना हो, एंड उसको इमीडिएटली लेट गो करना कि ठीक है नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, आगे बढ़ो. वो व्हाट इज़ दैट आर्ट? आई वांट टू लर्न दैट आर्ट.
As you already have, like from a question to answer, you have already answered that you have to let go. Likha ji, sometimes some of the things which might not happen in one day, but you can again. That's why we do reflections. That why we need reflections. That we start understanding that every part of the work or your personal life needs some more improvements every time. So that reflection itself will help you. Even the timings, the discipline, what you're saying, that adding on the determination that on this time you hit the gym, on this time you go for your shoot part, on this time you do your scriptings and your work, or on this time you can have your own personal time. So timings matter a lot. Dedicating yourself, instead of like let's suppose say 5 to 6 you had a time of your own self. In that time you went out for some other reason with someone. So discipline can play a big role in that you choose to not go out, you choose to stay there, and you choose to work it out completely. Discipline is like morning 6 to 7 you do every day your pranayam, your meditation. So you choose to do it, or you choose to sleep. It's your choice. Everyone has their own choices. So it's up to us that we choose it or not. Next time again, next day, it is happening. Again, it is happening. Keep on happening. So what we can do is we change. We break that pattern that my sleep is important, or that meditation or that pranayam or movements are very important. So it is our choice always, that we always want to improvise by cutting our down patterns or the conditioning which we have, or by keep going into the relax more comfort zone, or more into the part of it's okay, tomorrow there is one more day, there's one more day, there's one more day. So we keep wasting, an year has been passed.
Yeah.
So maybe that conscious action only comes when we become aware that what is needed to be done. That is more important. That what is the need of this hour. Right now, this need of the hour is to do this.
Yeah.
Bring that awareness to the people. So we are doing it. Instead of sleeping, or instead of enjoying Netflix, or instead of gossiping, this is the need of the hour.
Yeah.
So you can always analyze, you can always bring that awareness that what is the need of the hour. On that basis, you can choose and act upon it. That's the important thing. So yeah, sometimes it is need of the hour is that you have to give shoulder to your friend. So you go out and be there. So that's up to that. You don't have to sabotage, you don't have to stop or do any sense of regrets. You can be there. Just ask yourself, what is the need of the hour now? So then you will start doing it.
Also I have to ask you something that I think today's day in the kind of world where information is very easily accessible. अगर आज मुझे बुखार हो गया है तो मैं 2 मिनट में गूगल पे जाके इंटरनेट पे जाके सर्च कर सकती हूँ कि मुझे बुखार क्यों हुआ है और इसके क्या सोल्यूशन है, तो मुझे 100 सोल्यूशन भी मिल जाएंगे, राइट. सो इन्फॉर्मेशन की कमी नहीं है, लेकिन द प्रॉब्लम इज एग्जीक्यूशन, राइट. आप उसको एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करते हो लाइफ में. एंड आई एम नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट लीडिंग अ स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ, इन जनरल ऑल्सो, लाइक यू नो, इन practically also. Why is execution so difficult? And अगर आपको एक चीज़ के बारे में नॉलेज है, हाउ टू एग्जीक्यूट इट, हाउ टू पुट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इन योर डेली लाइफस्टाइल, जो कि सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है. क्योंकि ये ज्ञान होना कि अच्छा मुझे बुखार क्यों है, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन बुखार का सल्यूशन क्या है ये पता होना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और इमीडिएटली उसके ऊपर आपको एक्ट करना चाहिए. या तो ईदर यू गो एंड विजिट अ डॉक्टर, या फिर आप काढ़ा पीजिए, या फिर आप और भी जो 10 चीज़ें हैं वो करिए. लेकिन बोलना बहुत इजी होता है, लेकिन एग्जीक्यूट करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, दैट बहुत सारी चीज़ें सबको पता है कि एक
chai is harmful for your body.
and we are directly diving into chai. So let me tell you ये context कहाँ से, ये इसका क्या context है, that I am a chai lover. I love chai. And मैं अभ्यास स्कूल ऑफ योगा में कुछ दिनों से हूँ, और जब से मैं यहाँ पर हूँ मुझे ना तो कोई चाय मिली है ना कोई कॉफ़ी मिली है. एंड आई हैव टू टेल यू अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड अ वेरी वंडरफुल थिंग, दैट पहले 2 दिन मुझे बहुत क्रेविंग हुई. आई वॉज लाइक अरे चाय क्यों नहीं मिल रही, चाय क्यों नहीं मिल रही. इनफैक्ट एक दिन हम बाहर गए तो मैंने चुपके से कॉफ़ी भी पी ली, आप लोगों को बताया भी नहीं. आई ड्रैंक अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी एंड आई केम बैक, बट यू नो आफ्टर 2-3 days वो जो अर्ज थी ऑफ हैविंग टी और ऑफ हैविंग कॉफ़ी, और प्रॉब्ली वो एक कमी महसूस हो रही थी, दैट लैक ऑफ कैफीन और लैक ऑफ टी, वो दैट डिसअपियर्ड. एंड इट वॉज अ वेरी ऑर्गेनिक थिंग. मैंने ना तो प्लान किया था, ना मैंने मेरे माइंड को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था कि अरे डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट, डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट. नो, इट वॉज ऑल वेरी ऑर्गेनिक. इट हैपेंड एब्सोल्युटली ऑर्गेनिकली. एंड माई माइंड ऑल्सो इन अ वे एक्सेप्टेड इट कि ओके अब आपको चाय नहीं मिलेगी, आपको कॉफ़ी नहीं मिलेगी, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एनी स्नैक्स और एनीथिंग. देर आर 3 times मील्स, ब्रेकफास्ट है, लंच एंड डिनर है, एंड लेट्स स्टिक टू इट, जो बहुत सात्विक भोजन है. तो आई डोंट नो, मतलब मुझे कभी कभार लगता है कि हम हमारे माइंड को और हमारी बॉडी को बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं. समटाइम्स आई जस्ट फील दैट दे आर वे मोर पावरफुल देन वॉट वी थिंक एंड वॉट वी बिलीव. सो मैंने कोई मेहनत नहीं करी इसमें. इट ऑटोमेटिकली हैपेंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ सर्कमस्टांसेस आई एम इन. एंड यहाँ इतना स्पिरिचुअल एनर्जी हाई है एंड सात्विक भोजन इतना टेस्टी मिलता है कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ कि मुझे वो क्रेविंग हो रही है. और 3rd day आई थिंक अब तो मैं उस बारे में सोच भी नहीं रही हूँ, वो है, इट्स नॉट इवन ऑन माई माइंड एक्चुअली. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी वंडरफुल थिंग दैट हैपेंड.
And here's again the answer you have already given is this is the beauty of your body and this is the beauty of your mind, that if we start understanding the patterns of our own body, first of all, let's not talk about mind, but the patterns that when our body shows some kind of feelings or emotions, what we exactly do after that. When I'm feeling angry or anxious, what exactly I do? Maybe I verbalize it, or maybe I show aggressions, or maybe I just throw things out or something that, or in anxiousness I speak a lot, or I just roam around or do eat something, anxious eating, or I'll eat a lot. So this is the body pattern what I have observed. So now what I have to do, what I have to bring in that awareness that the chai is what is a habit. You have created a habit. Did you had drink like chai in early childhood age?
Yes, my entire family is a chai lover. We all drink tea, and I've been drinking tea since my childhood. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत.
Yeah.
Of course, but when I became a teenager, तब I started and also on sets I never drink coffee. I'm more of a tea lover. So शाम को I'll have my chai, morning में I'll have my chai. So yeah.
So ये एक पैटर्न बना. इस पैटर्न में हमने धीरे धीरे देखा कि वी आर बिकमिंग अनकॉन्शियस एंड दिस इज नाउ द बिकमिंग द हैबिट. which is called as the primarily the default mode on. That we go on the default mode, that this is the body's pattern we have made.
Yeah.
Now the body is not getting that. Your body will show some symptoms of anxiousness or worried or headache or so much of hypertension, attention disorders are happening. Many other things. You might crave more, you might need something, or you might not able to pay attention to the work because of withdrawal of substances like tea, coffee, or any kind of other substances. Even addiction to the people's behavior is so much that we do not pay attention to that, and we get addicted to that. If we don't get that person around us, or if we don't talk to that person like that, then something our body will show up in different emotions. So this is the beauty of our body, that everything is in the patterns we have stored. All we can do is start becoming aware and start breaking them down. Like as you have came out of your own comfort zone, like your home, and you came to this place, and this place does not allow anything like that. So automatically break down that habit from your own pattern to your body. Now things are happening.
Yeah.
Now your body is receptive. Some days it will take time to show up the symptoms and it will release it out, or some days it will be like easy for you.
Yeah, and I'll to add on to what you're saying, that a lot of athletes also say कि हम लोग जिम जा रहे हैं 1-2 हफ्ते से और कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है. And you know, I've seen a lot of athletes just say कि just जाते रहो. Don't think about the results that much. Just keep doing the task. इतना सोचो मत, इतना दिमाग मत लगाओ या अपने इतनी बॉडी को कुछ मत बोलो. Just keep doing it like एक साइकिल में. And automatically there is something that is going to happen. Which actually happened, that क्योंकि मिल नहीं रहा था, चाय नहीं मिल रही थी, वो मैं एक पैटर्न में थी कि ठीक है नहीं मिलेगी चाय, ठीक है नहीं मिलेगी. And eventually that entire thought of a specific thing went away.
Yeah, his went away.
So, without even knowing about it, वो चीज़ चली गई है सिस्टम से. So I'm so happy about it.
So similarly, many things happens like that as discipline being applied again, that this discipline you have to apply now. That now I'll not drink chai. This is the discipline you have to take back to your home.
ये तो बड़ा controversial चीज़ है यार.
Why you need now? Only for the taste? You can have.
Only for the taste, yes. अब वो नहीं है, वो craving वाली चीज़ नहीं है कि चाय नहीं मिलेगी तो I'll feel अजीब सा. ऐसा वो वाली बात नहीं रही अभी.
जी.
टेस्ट के लिए तो ले सकते ना.
Now the taste is like everyone loves to have dessert. Everyone loves to have something food which is junk outside.
Yeah.
But that's what it influences your mind so much. It influences your body's chemical so much that you start craving a lot. Then again and again, your body needs it.
Yeah.
So instead of keep going towards that, we can stop it. That's what discipline is all about.
Yeah.
Actually, discipline is not being on time every time, but discipline is like if you have left that thing, you have left that thing forever. No sugar means no sugar. No chai and coffee means no chai and coffee. Don't look back. Breaking that discipline will again term that as something else. So that's the discipline. Maybe that's what you can apply as your discipline is.
Sure.
Okay. So coming to the point of awareness, like what else, like apart from your tea and coffee, your routine, your health part, your self part, that where you have to spend yourself so much of time, what else you have got from this place, or from your entire experiences of your, like you already mentioned that you have started your journey, you're 16-year-old when you were
16-year-old. Yeah.
So you might have good experience in your field. So what is the one life experience you wanted to share, or you can share here, which is more towards your mental health has improved in that? Awareness has come, and that you want to share to the others so that people can also apply in their life.
So I feel people, especially, who are starting out their careers, not only in the film industry or in any industry, I would always like to tell them that, never lose your individuality. Because आप जैसा इस दुनिया में किसी और को नहीं बनाया गया है, और कोई और आपकी जैसा बन भी नहीं सकता. ये
Absolutely true.
यूनिवर्स एक बहुत ही यूनिक चीज़ है. सो डोंट लूज योर इंडिविजुअलिटी फर्स्टली, एंड सेकेंडली विथ सोशल मीडिया कमिंग इन, you know, we always in that state of comparison. अरे उसको तो इतने लाइक्स मिल गए, अरे उसके पोस्ट को तो इतने कमेंट्स मिल गए, अरे सी वो तो उस कॉन्सर्ट में गया था, तो उस कॉन्सर्ट में गई थी, मैं क्यों नहीं गई, या मैं क्यों नहीं गया. तो वी आर ऑलवेज यू नो कॉन्स्टेंटली कंपेयरिंग आवर लाइव्स. वी आर नॉट हैप्पी विद व्हाट वी वेयर वी
Fear of missing it out.
Yeah, that FOMO. But dude, there's also joy of missing out, huh? There's also a lot of joy in missing out. There's a new term called JOMO.
Okay.
जैसे fear of missing out FOMO है, वैसे there's a new term called joy of missing out कि अच्छा है मैं नहीं गया, या अच्छा है मैं नहीं गई. I'm very happy being here, probably in my house or wherever I am. So firstly that, because with social media coming in, we are always in that world of comparison. So that is, I think, very important firstly. And secondly, always listen to your gut and listen to your inner self. That is very important because आपकी शायद आंखें धोखा खा सकती है. हाँ, आप शायद प्यार में पड़ सकते हो, आपको सामने वाला इंसान बहुत अच्छा लगा अरे यही तो मेरा राजकुमार है, यार यही तो मेरी एंजल है, ऊपर से आई है. बट और इवन इन प्रोफेशनल स्पेस यू माइट feel that this is the best person for me or this person is not good for me, but आपका inner self और आपका gut आपसे कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलेगा वो. But the whole point is you should be able to listen to that, which is very important, which I am also figuring it out. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने पूरा महारत हासिल कर ली है, मैं भी figure out कर रही हूँ कि how to listen to your gut and how to listen to your inner self. But I feel that is very important, that एक तो you do not lose your individuality, and secondly you listen to your inner self. What do you exactly want? You know, lot of youngsters, like lot of 14-year-old or a 15-year-old boy or a girl, they'll come and, you know, they'll tell me that I want to become an actor and I want to enter the industry. How do I convince my parents? And I always tell them, don't convince your parents. First ask yourself, if this is what you want. आप सिर्फ नेम फेम पैसा देख रहे हो, या फिर आपको एक्चुअली है कि नहीं यार, आई वांट टू बी एन एक्टर, आई वांट टू,
you have something inside you, that's why you wanted to come.
And also am I in love with the craft, and do I feel that I'll be able to create something out of my craft which people would like to watch. अगर आपको ये लगता है कि हाँ यार मेरे अंदर वो बात है या मेरे अंदर वो क्राफ्ट है, ऑफ कोर्स मुझे उसको तराशने की ज़रूरत है, जो कि अभी तक अमिताभ बच्चन भी यू नो अपने स्किल्स को तराश रहे हैं. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि हाँ यार वो स्पार्क तो है, पेरेंट्स अपने आप मान जाएंगे, पूरी सोसाइटी अपने आप मान जाएगी, पूरी दुनिया अपने आप मान जाएगी. पहले आप अपने आप को मनाओ, पहले आप अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछो कि यार लगता है क्या, या ये जस्ट फ्लूक है कि 4 लोगों ने मुझे बोल दिया, मैं कॉलेज कॉम्पिटिशन में जीत गया या जीत गई. तो ये दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आई फील
Gut. Listening to the gut, listening to the intuition is way important.
And not losing your self individuality. जैसे आप हो, जैसे आपको भगवान ने या जैसे आपको यूनिवर्सल फोर्स ने बनाया है, आप उसको ज़्यादा चेंज करने की कोशिश मत करो. बी हैप्पी विथ वॉट शाहरुख सर बोलते हैं ना, दैट एक्सेप्ट कर लो. अब आपकी यही शक्ल है, अब आपकी यही हाइट है, अब ज़्यादा उसके साथ छेड़खानी मत करो. जस्ट सी अब इसके साथ what I can do with it. वो कहते हैं ना दैट there are 10 things on the platter. Now let's see इससे मैं क्या डिश बना सकता हूँ या इससे मैं क्या डिश बना सकती हूँ. Let's not keep adding things and let's not keep deleting things. Let's see कि these are the 10 things that I have, and let's see what I can cook out of all these things. And you never know, you might cook the best dish in this entire world.
Exactly, because who you are, actually no one is there apart from the whole world. Nobody is there that exactly the replica of you. You are your own unique one.
Yeah.
And you can show your own uniqueness by your... So the art and any creative part, the artists who create, that's an abstract. Because through that person's eyes, that made an art. But with other perspective, that might be not an art. That might be a rubbish, a garbage. But that's again a perspective, people's perspective, that how you see that art as art or how you see art as a garbage. So,
yeah. वो तो spirituality भी कहती है ना कि embrace your individuality.
जी.
Yeah, we are on the correct path, guys.
So I think coming towards the ending of the conversation, all I can get from you today is so beautiful that you are again bringing back that core of discipline, the core of self-mastery, that you have to first understand yourself, the understanding of listening to your gut that is so subtle in energies, that these are the subtle energies which you can't understand. You can't listen to them. But they're there always. But we are not there exactly. We are not there to pay attention and listen to them.
Yeah.
So the power of presence, the power of being into that moment, these are the things which I really have got from you. And the power of being okay with who you are.
Yeah.
Because that's where you can create yourself more ahead. That's an art. You are an artist. Everyone is artist here in this whole world. And health is very important as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, with that note, we can.
I would like to add something that I have been at Abhyas School of Yoga since quite some time now. I've been here for a couple of days, and one wonderful thing that really happened is that वो कहते हैं ना beauty of nothingness. So I think I have sort of मतलब touch तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाएगी, but I think I am on the borderline of that beauty of nothingness. ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है सेंटर में that मैं सिर्फ बैठी हुई हूँ और मेरे दिमाग में कोई थॉट नहीं चल रहा है, जबकि आई एम एब्सोल्युटली ऑपोजिट इन रियल लाइफ. ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं जाता, मुझे तो लगता है मैं सोते टाइम में मेरा दिमाग चलता रहता है, बट ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं जाता व्हेन देयर आर नो थॉट्स ऑन माई माइंड. बट फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ है कि आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग एंड देयर आर नो थॉट्स एंड आई एम ऑल्सो अवेयर ऑफ इट दैट देयर आर नो थॉट्स. एंड ऑफकोर्स मेडिटेशन के दौरान ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है. बहुत बार जब हम खाना खा रहे होते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कॉन्शियस ईटिंग प्रैक्टिस की जाती है जहाँ पर आप बिना बोले खाना खाते हैं और ऑफ कोर्स गैजेट्स फोन्स अलाउड नहीं है वहाँ पे, तो आप एक्चुअली खाना खा रहे होते हैं, आप एक्चुअली यू आर experiencing that chapati or experiencing when you are having that dal or you're having that dessert. तो तब भी मैंने बहुत बार ये चीज़ फील की है कि दैट ब्यूटी ऑफ नथिंगनेस, दैट आई एम एब्सोल्युटली इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट एंड आई एम एक्चुअली डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग एंड देयर आर नो थॉट्स ऑन माई माइंड. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल दैट हैज हैपेंड एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी. ये छोटा सा अचीवमेंट है मेरा, बट ये मेरा 2026 का पहला अचीवमेंट है, 2025 के एंड और 26 की एंट्री में. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
That's the state of being.
Yeah, that is indeed. Yes. And I would like to thank the Abhyas School of Yoga for having me over. And itna correct timing tha that it is a year end. It was a year end, and I wanted to celebrate my new year somewhere which is very peaceful, close to the nature, and wherein I can also be in oneness with my own self. So I think it was one of the great decisions that I took to come here. And we did celebrate, New Year yesterday, and it was amazing. And thank you once again.
May your whole year goes like this, being with who you are, and may your resolutions come true and keep on going for years and years, and you achieve more. Thank you so much, Lekha ji, for being here, and thank you so much for listening and giving your beautiful insights.
Thank you.
Namaskar.